welcome back to my channel and welcome to the Adrian Show if you guys are new. So I'm just gonna make this really quick. In today's video I'm gonna show you how I apply my lace frontal units. This is a custom made unit that I made myself. I do sell custom wigs, so if you want to purchase one like this, I'll link below my website as well as my Instagram page so you can see my other wigs. The hair is from SUNBER Hair Company. Now SUNBER Hair Company sent me 3 bundles. I believe it was 18, 20 and 22 inch, and they also sent me an 18-inch frontal. But as you guys can see, I chopped and I screwed like T-Pain on that ass. I really love how the unit came out, and I show you my lace application for long wear. I'm gonna get a little bit closer so you guys can see exactly how the frontal looks and just how natural it looks. And you can part it literally on any side. I just decided to part it on this side, but you can part it on any side you want to. You could wear it up in one if you want to. Alright, so this method is pretty common. I learned it from YouTube, just as I'm sure you guys have. But the difference is I'm using a dark brown cap because I tried this method with a light brown cap like everybody else, but it did not work out for my skin tone. If you're a deeper skin tone, I highly recommend getting the dark brown cap. It's seamless and it just honestly works so much better, and it's way less work than if you were to get the light brown cap. So what I'm doing is I'm just using the Got to Bead freeze hold spray, and I'm spraying it down before I cut it. I'm sure you guys have seen this on numerous videos, but the reason that I'm doing this is so that I can protect my natural hair underneath, as well as provide a layer between the actual wig being placed down and my skin. If you get the Got to Be glued on your skin, sometimes it's really painful to pull it off. So after that's dried, I'm just going to take a hair scissors and I'm going to cut the thicker part of the wig cap off. The thicker part is not going to lay flat, so that's the reason why we cut it off. I didn't do this in any specific pattern. I just tried to follow my hairline as closely as possible while still leaving a little bit of space again for my skin. As you guys can see, it messed up my makeup. I was so mad about that, but that's the next step. Next, I'm going to take a stippling brush and I'm going to stipple, literally dab. You don't want to use circular motions. I'm going to dab some of my foundation, and the foundation that I used is my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless, and I believe it's in the color Mocha. I'll list it down below for you guys to check it out. Do you see how seamless the dark brown cap blends in with the foundation? The light brown cap, even after I put my foundation on, was still way too light. Okay, so next I'm just going to pick up the wig and I'm going to test it out to see how the colors are lining, if I need to add a little bit more foundation, if I need to get my powder. I'm basically just testing out to see if it looks good, if it looks natural, if there's something I need to change. Okay, so next I'm going to apply the Got to Be glue gel. I do not use an excess amount because I do not want this thing to hurt me when it's time for me to pull it off. Although my taking off the wig is basically using really damp baby wipes, so it's pretty easy. I still just want to take it as a precaution. Now what I'm doing is I'm applying the Got to Be glue gel, and then I'm using a tail comb and I'm flattening out and laying the wig cap as flat as I possibly can. So sometimes those edges will get rolled up, so I'm literally just flattening out the edges of the wig cap with the Got to Be glue gel as I lay it. After that dries a little bit and gets sticky, I'm going to apply the wig and I'm going to press it down, doing the middle first and then the parts second. I mean the sides second. And then I'm just going to press and hold that with my 2 fingers to get it down as smoothly as possible. And I'm going to go in with the tail comb out those excess baby hairs. And I use Eco Styler gel to brush down my baby hairs, not the Got to Be glue gel, because I think that's just way too much. It's just way too harsh. So I'm basically just going to go in now with the tail comb. I'm going to comb out those hairs. I'm going to press the lace down firm and just do some simple customizations. After I'm pretty sure that it's secure, I'm just going to go ahead and style it. I'm so annoyed that my makeup got messed up. It's so annoying. But I'm just brushing through the hair with my fingers, making sure it's secure, and I'm going to go ahead and style it, and I'll be back. Thank you so much for watching this video, and also, just to let you guys know, new videos are going to be posted every Monday, every Wednesday, and sometimes Friday here on my channel. So if you're interested in keeping up with me, stay tuned on those days. I love you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.